Hi, welcome. My name's Liam, working on a video game. Figure I might actually finish this one, so I'm going to be recording at various points throughout development, just as kind of like a dev log of the game's development. Um, this is the first video, I guess. Game is kind of like Diablo-esque top-down Skyrim co-op, so it is multiplayer over peer-to-peer connection. Uh, Starting, as of right now, I have a simple player controller, bit of networking, and a weapons database. So we can start with the weapons database. It's effectively this nice little thing I built for the designer. Wait one sec. Where's my database? World objects, managers, database. Alright, so the database is an inspector-based GUI to allow designers to build and set weapons. Weapons are broken into two parts. There's the base weapon, which, if I just display my testing one, has a name, bunch of other stats, gets saved whenever it's generated. Uh, in this case, I'm looking at a weapon called Test-01. It is a light weapon, and it is a rarity level of common. Now, whenever a weapon is taken from this list and generated into a real-world item, it uses a stat ranges set to determine a random range between 2 points to decide its stats. And then each category is broken down into different stat sets. So you can choose the category, you select it, all the damage values, or all the values possible, you hit save, voila, whenever a weapon gets generated, it uses these stats to pick out its numeric values. Also got a create tab when you might want to make something new, modify, so if I type in Testo1, it lets me load the weapon up, can change things and then save it. Can also delete weapons if I type the name in, and I can just display everything with a nice little search. Nice and handy. That's just weapons, haven't done armor, consumables, or abilities yet. That's down the road. Next step is the player and NPCs. Right now, I can have two players, but I'm just by myself, so I only have one. Go ahead and start the game up, and we'll make this bigger so that people can actually see. So go ahead and spin up a LAN host. There's me, the player. I can look around, top down. If I attack, nice little animation. These red guys are the melee enemies. Currently, they're programmed to have a set number attacking, a set number offset, and if they're low on health, they will actually run to cover. So if I get this guy low, he's going to run away from me using a new cover system I designed to go find a piece of cover opposite my direction, and then he'll be healed by another unit. Now, if I go try to chase him down, he'll actually reposition if I'm threatening him, while the other ones still hunt me down. And you can see this one that's running away but kind of close to me. This is one of the ones that's been instructed not to attack, but just to wait nearby. So once one of the ones currently attacking are low on health, you'll see he cycles on to attack me. If I can get one of them low. So watch, he cycles on, and now the three are still attacking me because I've instructed them. If I go hunt these two down, they're going to go, oh no, run away. So they're going to a new piece of cover. And that's the AI right now. Next step is I want to add some rangers. I want to add a healer, and I want to add like a support shield type enemy. Go ahead and end the game. Don't need you anymore. I think that's it. AI Manager's got some settings to it, nothing fancy. I am trying to build it to be nice and simple. And then I guess the one other thing I can show off at this point is if you look at the scene view, there's actually a little bit of a debug line draw so I can see what each one of them is doing. So you'll notice the ones that are offset have a yellow line when they get too close and a blue line if I get too far away. Actively attacking ones have a green line, and if I get somebody low on health, you'll see a red line as they retreat. And that is it. See, can they walk up here? They can. But yeah, that's the AI right now. It's kind of cool. Really excited. I rebuilt the cover tracking system yesterday, so they actually choose smart cover rather than just whatever they can find. and then only one can own a cover at a time, which is cool. And he can run away from me. Oh man, I love the fact I coded that. It's so nice. Yeah, but that's the gist of it for this video. That's all I got. Next video, I don't know. I'll have new things to do to show you. Until then, bye.